Hi, it's Cayman with S&B Filters, and today we're going to show you how to replace your air filter on your Kawasaki Ridge. This is the S&B replacement filter. It's a dry, washable filter, meaning you can blow it out with compressed air, wash it out with water, continue to reuse your filter. It's going to save you a lot of money, and it's going to protect your engine as well. So to start, you're just going to simply pull back the seat. You're going to pop out the tray. Set the tray aside, and there's just two latches right here for the air box. So the air box is going to swing open and expose the OEM air filter. You can pull out the OEM air filter. You can see the difference between the two. The S&B filter is going to slide on the same way as the OEM. Push it onto the flange, close up the lid. Make sure you get your latches on as well. Reinstall the tray. Seat, and you're all set. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.